Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about how to Ctrl+Alt+Delete on a Mac. As you know, Ctrl+Alt+Delete is a widely used keyboard shortcut in Windows to bring up the task manager or to force quit an application. However, if you are a Mac user, you might wonder what the equivalent shortcut is. Don't worry, in this video, we will show you some easy ways to perform the same tasks on a Mac. How to Ctrl+Alt+Delete on a Mac. The instructions for initiating a Ctrl+Alt+Delete type command on a Mac or MacBook differ depending on whether you're in a Mac OS or Windows desktop environment. Ctrl+Alt+Delete in a Mac OS environment. If you're looking for the Mac OS equivalent of Ctrl+Alt+Delete, then you have a few options available. Launching Activity Monitor under the Applications Greater Than Utilities folder performs many of the same tasks as Task Manager on Windows, including finding problem processes and allowing you to kill them. You can also hit Command+Option+Escape to bring up a shorter Force Quit Applications window. Alternatively, kill the currently focused application using Command+Shift+Option+Escape or right-clicking on the application's icon in the dock and holding Option, then selecting Force Quit from the context menu. Ctrl+Alt+Delete in a Windows environment. If you've installed Windows on a Mac using Boot Camp, installing Apple's Boot Camp drivers should make Ctrl+Option+Delete work as expected. Apple's delete key is the equivalent of a Windows backspace, so if you haven't got the drivers installed, try holding Fin as well, Ctrl+Option+Fin+Delete. You can also remap your Windows keys using the free Sharp Keys utility. For example, try remapping Caps Lock to the Windows Del key, without disabling the very useful backspace key on your Mac keyboard, for use with this shortcut.